A man came to Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr and said, "What is this hadith that you narrate that the hour will occur at the time of such and such thing?" He said, "Subhanallah, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, or La ilaha illallah, there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu," or passed some other statement like it, and then said, "Now I have intended not to narrate any hadith to anyone. I only said that after a few days you people would witness some drastic event. The house would be burnt, Holy Kaaba, and it would happen, definitely happen." He then said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "In my ummah Dajjal will appear who will stay for 40." I do not know whether he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said 40 days or 40 months or 40 years. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will commission Hazrat Isa, the son of Mary, who will resemble Urwa bin Masood. He will find Dajjal and kill him. Then people will live in peace for 7 years, in this way that there will not be enmity even between two people. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will send such a cool wind from the direction of Ceres as will capture the soul of every person in the face of the earth who has good or faith in his heart equal to an atom's weight. Even if they enter the innermost part of a mountain, it will follow him even there and capture his soul. He said that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, "Then there will remain only wicked people in the world who will be impetuous like sparrows and possess the characteristics of beasts. They will consider neither any good nor any evil. The Satan will come to them in disguise and ask them, 'Don't you obey me?' They will ask him, 'What do you command us to do?' He will order them to worship idols. While they will be busy doing so, idol worshipping will have ample provision and will be enjoying a luxurious life. The trumpet will be blown. Whoever hears it will bend his neck to one side and raise it from the other side. The first one to hear it will be a man who will be repairing the water trough of his camels. He will faint, and other people will also sown. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will then send the rain like dew to which the people bodies will grow. Then the trumpet will be blown for a second time, and the people thereupon will stand up and start looking. It will be then said, 'O people, come to your Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, and make them the people stand.' They will be questioned. It will be then be said, 'Bring forth a group for hell.' It will be asked, 'Of how many people?' It will be said, 999 out of every 1,000. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'It is the day that will turn the children edged, and it is the day when the shank will be exposed.' Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7307.